African swine fever, or ASF, is a serious pig disease that's killing pigs. The entire Highlands region is considered the infected zone. Movement of pigs out of the Highlands is not allowed. There is no medical treatment to cure or prevent ASF, but we can all help eliminate ASF by practicing good farm biosecurity. Have selected pig handlers for your piggery and keep your pigs in fenced pens with concrete or raised wooden floors. Cleaning pig pens and dish regularly and before adding new pigs to the pen. Separate new pigs 10 meters from your piggery for 10 to 14 days and only introducing them if they remain healthy. Immediately bury dead infected pigs 1.5 meters deep and far away from waterways. Feeding pigs clean foods including formulated stock feed and not food containing pork. Look out for your pigs being unwell and call Nakia on 180-1332 or your local authorities to report sick or dead pigs or for more information.
Authorized by the National Agriculture Quarantine Inspection Authority.